Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 3:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, September 28, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe bell if you want to be notified of these videos. Click the thumbs up. Share the video. We're talking about the greatness of the graph. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video if you want to stay in touch. In the meantime, let's go take a look over at the graph US dollar. We're at 63 cents. A little lower than we would have liked it. A little wicky on the bottom. Hoping for support around the 64-cent range. I don't think it's necessarily done in the sense that we would continue the trek down, but if we do, we have another fairly reasonable line of support right around 58 cents, right down here. I expect this to probably pull back up. I think this is kind of, if it does come back down, though, we're about 10% from the 58-cent line, 57-cent line, so wouldn't worry too much about it. It will be, in my opinion, very temporary. But in the meantime, let's go look at the graph relative to Bitcoin pair. Graph relative to Bitcoin pair does have a floor at 1,400. We're at 1,522. So that floor does kind of correspond with what's going on in the graph US dollar. The floor here is around 10% lower. 1,400 is about 10% lower than 1,500 and change. So we'll continue to monitor this, but, could be... If it does bounce there, then we should see the graph US dollar down near the 58-cent range. Got another buying opportunity. Taking a look to zoom out so you can see where this line came from. Back here. So it hit this line of support, and could be another bounce off this support line as well. We'll keep you posted on Twitter there. Now let's look over Bitcoin. I've drawn two very reminiscent looking, very similar looking shapes here. One is this this rectangular price action here, and then we have a rectangular price action here. Now, as you can tell, this was when we went top all the way to bottom, and which was the midpoint of this cycle. We didn't see the same thing over here. We came from the top all the way down to the bottom, midway through the cycle. We're also seeing that in the first half of this cycle, we were on the top half. Very similar to the price action over here. We were relatively on the top half of this. And then the second half of this pattern in July, we were on the bottom half. Very similar over here. We're on the bottom half right now. We're starting to get closer. We're probably a week away from getting out of this rut or sideways action with Bitcoin, which I think will fuel the rest of the crypto market once it starts to find the footing that we all want it to. So in the meantime, Bitcoin dominance continues to go up. So it is, to me, very clearly a fact that we will continue to see a little bit of downward action on the Bitcoin US dollar price for the very, very near term. I will keep you posted all on Twitter, but right now graph is over 63 cents. Floor of support, worst case scenario in my view, is 57 cents, which would be buying opportunity. And that's all I've got. Everyone take care.